April 2025 was one of the most volatile months in recent U.S. stock market history. The Trump administration announced tariffs larger than almost anyone expected, and the S&P 500 fell nearly 19% from its February peak in a matter of weeks. It briefly broke below 5,000 for the first time since April 2024, coming within a whisker of official bear market territory. The shock was compounded by two earlier headwinds. China's DeepSeek AI model in January raised questions about U.S. tech dominance, and sticky inflation kept the Federal Reserve on hold. But here is what happened next. And this is the lesson every investor must remember. Markets recovered fast. A U.S.-China tariff pause announcement in May triggered a sharp reversal. A series of trade deals followed. By December 2025, the S&P 500 had delivered a 16% full-year return. The investors who panicked and sold in April locked in losses. The investors who held, or, better yet, bought the dip, were rewarded handsomely. The tariff cycle created clear investment themes. On the winning side, domestic U.S. manufacturers benefiting from reshoring and the Made in America push. Defense contractors as NATO members ramped spending. U.S. utilities and infrastructure plays tied to energy independence. And U.S. small-cap stocks via the IWM ETF, which have far less international revenue exposure than the S&P 500 large caps. On the losing side, retailers absorbing higher costs on imported goods, with margin compression squeezing earnings. Automakers hit by steel and aluminum tariffs. Multinationals with significant China revenue facing retaliatory tariff exposure. 3 portfolio strategy lessons from 2025. Stay invested. The recovery came faster than most forecasters predicted. Diversify globally. Foreign markets outperformed in 2025, and they served as a genuine hedge when U.S. tariff risk was highest. And watch macro signals. The CME FedWatch tool and ISM manufacturing PMI data provide early warning of tariff-driven slowdowns. This is the disclaimer slide. All content in this presentation is for educational purposes only. It does not constitute investment advice. Viewers should consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions.